Let me show you the first AI agent for people work, which simply works, regardless for analyzing data throughout all your tools or automating your work. So forget setting up your Claude agent, which takes you days, and then you find out it's not really working robust and not secure. Instead, use Atlas. Atlas is always the most powerful model out there, connected to all your tools you're already using, but most importantly, to our native modules. Modules for active sourcing automatically up to telemanagement like performance reviews. As you see right here, you even have a platform where employees and managers can work together on goals, on performance reviews and action items and so on. But I want to focus on Atlas, and I want to show you two use cases, which by the way, you can also access directly via Slack if you want to. So in our case, we are searching for a front-end developer. So I will ask Atlas, please get our front-end developer role out of Greenhouse and then start a first search on LinkedIn, what kind of profiles are available. And yes, you heard right. Atlas can now start with our native models to look on LinkedIn to find the right profiles, to get a first idea what is out there, what could be a fit for us. But now it becomes even more powerful. While Atlas is still analyzing these results and giving an overview, I want to make one step further and say, please do the active sourcing for us. Write the right candidates, make a first interview, and then get back to me with a shortlist. And yes, also this is possible with Atlas, with our modules in the backend. You can totally automate this without even mentioning you as a company. So don't worry about a wrong expression. Atlas will do this for you without mentioning you as a company, similar to any recruiting services. So we'll start now planning the campaign, and then eventually I can kick it off and see it in my overview so I can always see what's going on. I want to show you the second use case, a very powerful use case. Let's go back and start a new chat. And in this case, I want to use my suggestions here to directly get a 9bricks box with one click for our product engineering team. And again, Atlas, as you see, gets data out of different tools, especially also Spread, as we have a skill framework and a skill management here, and of course the performance reviews. I can directly see here 9bricks box in this case, but even more importantly, I can use now the clicks down here to do maybe even more deep dive into different things. For example, what are next steps for Sarah in this case? And Atlas again looks on all the data available and gives you an answer which normally takes hours to get to. But now it becomes really interesting. It's not just about getting information, but also taking action. Like in this case, I would say, please write the manager of Sarah a quick Slack message to arrange a meeting to talk about these aspects. So what Atlas is now doing, checking my calendar, and then hopefully very soon writing me a message I can send to the manager, which is Tom in this case. And this sounds good, so I say, yeah, yes, please send this via Slack to Tom. And that's it. Atlas is sending it out via Slack, and so I saved again at least 20 minutes, but just interacting with Atlas. If this sounds helpful for you, please get in touch. We are happy to show you more.